If dreams ever would remain only dreams, and a longing never could be fulfilled, passion would never become reality. Who knows where we were without our dreams, whether we ever would reach our aims, or whether we ever would grow beyond ourselves. Who can tell? All that we can say is, here will dreams come true. Here you will experience exciting moments and feelings that surpass all your dreams. Europe offers over 20 of those stunning tracks. How about not only to look at one of these, but to experience it in the race piece? Welcome to Team FNT. Here those dreams come true.
Okay, we go for 5 flight times, 5 flight times.
The F1 consists of about 15,000 items that, strung together, result in a distance of 5.5 kilometers. Almost a racetrack. Assembled, they convey unique emotions. But even dreams must be maintained. We have a first-class team and a first-class workshop. Like a perfectly functioning organism, also the F1 needs maintenance and care. We take care of its heart, the engine. And care for the limbs, the axle and the tires. And also especially for the nerves, the electronic system. Here lives the true passion of those who day by day solve the most challenging technical tasks in precision and perfection. And the spark of this passion is skipping. And over here, something quite old gets a new shine in an environment according to the latest state of the art. What there is no more is created new. What still is available is getting optimized, reprocessed, and added to the current line. Reliability, integrity, property. That all leads you to an outstanding driving pleasure that matches any imagination you might have. The F1 could ignite the whole passion and to let them go into the race with new power and energy. Make dreams come true. Fulfill your desire and let your passion turn to reality. Welcome to Formula One and Team FNT.